Wow, our trading is trading. I'm trading pounds, USDT. Look at the fall, like wow. When the market is just for sell, sell, sell. Let me check Euro USDT. Let me see what is happening in Euro USDT. Let me see. See, it's just fall. It's going down. It's for a sell. This is a sell. And what did I trade? I trade, okay, two currencies. Yeah, yeah. It's looking all beautiful, all beautiful. Should I hold or should I cut? You know, the market has, they say take what the market gives you. Always take what the market is giving you. Don't always be greedy. Always take what the market gives you and go. I am gonna take what the market has given me today. Thank you, market. Thank you. See, they sell, just sell. It's just going down. Sell. This thing will enter $3 if I hold it. It's just going for a sell. Sell. Where is my Euro USDT? Is the sell is still going down. Wow, this will still go down. Like, wow, I know where it's gonna reach. You see, I know where it's going to reach. I know, definitely. I know. It's gonna go down. It's gonna drop. It's gonna sell. It's for a sell. Yeah, you can see. I told you $3, $3,000. You see. I know it's gonna go in for sell. You can see. It's gonna go down. Yeah, the market is looking beautiful. Beautiful. It's looking yummy. The trading is trading. So let's take in what the market has given us and let's move. Let's move. I want to close it. That's, you see, the advantage of Meta 5. That's one advantage I have with Meta 5 that I loved. When you want to take your profit, you want to close, you don't need to close it one by one. You don't need to, you don't want to, but you can just, like, maybe just press and hold. You come to bulk operations. Can you see? From bulk operation, you see close all positions. Let's do that right away. Bam, everything has closed. You can see everything has closed. Thank you and bye for now.